Peace. Another late night. Giving MixBus. What we on? 12? 12 Pro. Rocking and rolling. Putting something together real quick. First I want to give out to my man Juice the Witch Doctor, because he's the one that's producing this. Part of the Wu-Tang fam. And yeah, so I did this record right here. And I really wanted to sit down and put together this mix on MixBus just for something we can listen to, because I have a feeling this might turn up on sync licensing for something really dope that's happening that I can't really speak on. So with that said, this will be in 4K, so I don't know how it's going to break down and everything else, but one of the most funkiest things I realized about I don't know if this is a bug or something, or if it's a feature. I can't find it, but usually, sorry, that's I've been on fire going viral. I can't move my inserts. This used to be movable, so I don't know if this is a bug or if anybody reported that, but I think that needs to be looked at, because for this record, I was actually trying to move the de-esser down under the EQs and stuff just to catch some peaks, but I can't get these things to move. So anyways, on this record here, what I'm using is, as you see, I'm using the SSL 9000. So I'm basically doing all this in a box. This was tracked with an 800 warm tone beast, warm WA1B, with the ISA 1 acting like the patch routing. So yeah, so this is all in the box. I have some Pro Q3 here, the new Temecula DSP reverb, the Deep Z. I did some tweaking on there. What else? Lemon. Oh, come on, guys. I have Lemon. Oh, jeez. Lemon is there. And now here I had the Highlands BG2 using Genesis. So like I say, this is just a quick little thing. Even I'm feeding it. So I'm feeding everything into the buses, and my lead parallel is the BG2. I even add a little bit more extra comp, but I pulled back some on the EQ here, and I'm just feeding the master channel. So there's really nothing highly special going on. Yeah, this is funky. So I'll play what I have. This record is titled Edward Snowden. Like I said, we just in the pre-production phase. So here we go.
How's you got?
And I ain't finna say yeah.
Yo, beat the flyness. I just got this.
Yeah.
What's gonna happen, right? I'ma
Check the flyness. Peace. Hey yo, I got you. Live via fiber optics, mind fusion funded by Anthropic. The Smith though, strictly a fable, peep the nerds rock this. I hack into your data space via cyberspace, deliver a Trojan data, nuke a region to outer weight. In and out of state with a USB key drive, couple of key fobs cutting through data centers, flames a jet out. Tracking the kid, a bouncing the web, what shorty did, working the stick, release my serotonin on her lips. That's my word life, hop on the jet flight, score a sonic soliloquies that make the death come out at midnight. Peep it, this a you and me secret, my WhatsApp hack, hit up my Graphene West kite, my Kiko got it.
Like I said, I don't know if these are bugs or whatever, but hopefully it gets fixed or something gets looked at. I'm gonna go ahead and file another report. Shout out to Big Nate Dogg, who's been stepping in and communicating with me here.